Hi CB lovers, welcome back to my video. Happy New Year once again. So on today's video I'll be making some varieties of different food, some chicken and gizzard sauce. I'll be making some crispy chicken and also shrimp fried rice and even American salad. So you'll be seeing all of this on this video. Please sit back and don't go anywhere. So guys, if this is your first time, please do well to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. And if you're a return subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. Please watch this video to the end and turn on your notification button so that you'll be getting all the videos that I'll be uploading. So guys, I already started by steaming my chicken and gizzard by going in with some pepper, some onions, some seasoning cube, some thyme, some curry powder, and also with some salt. So I'm just going to give that a quick mix and cover and allow to cook for some minutes. So after done steaming my chicken, I went ahead to prepare my crispy chicken recipe. On this recipe, I'll be using some chicken wings. So firstly, I went ahead to add some salt, seasoning and some paprika into my flour, and then did same thing for my chicken wings so as to bring out the taste. And I just went ahead to coat in my chicken into my flour and then rub it into my egg and also dip it back to my flour. Just like that. It's a continual process. Coat it in the flour, rub it into the egg, then back to the flour, and just a continual process. So I continue this till all my chicken are well and fully coated. Mind you can decide to use breadcrumbs for this recipe instead of doing a second coating with your flour. So but I tend to use my flour instead. Okay guys, so I added my vegetable oil and I'm using 2 fire because I'm making bulk meals. So I added my vegetable oil on both pots, but I will start by making my rice first while I allow my other oil to heat up for my crispy chicken. So I added some onions, I added some seasoning cubes, some thyme and some curry powder, and also went ahead to add my washed rice and just give that a quick stir. I stirred this thing up and also went ahead to add some more seasoning to correct the taste while I leave it on the fire to just eat out. So and during this process I'll go ahead to fry my crispy chicken because at this point my oil has heated out already. So I'm going to fry my chicken bit by bit till all my chicken is fully fried. And I fried this chicken on a medium high heat. So moving on to my rice. At this point it has heated out already, and I just went on to add my coconut milk and some water and then just stir it together before covering my pot. I actually added some more seasoning to correct the taste and balance the taste with a bit of salt as well. Then I went ahead to cover and allow it to cook. So at this point I just went ahead to do a turnover for my chicken. You can see how beautiful and crispy it's looking. This is the result you will get. So guys, here are all my ingredients I'll be using for my sauces and my salad. I have here some shredded carrots, some shrimp, some green pepper, yellow pepper, and everything is on this table. So some cucumber, some red pepper, boiled egg, yellow pepper, my shredded cabbage, that's my purple cabbage. So I went on to check my rice and it's almost ready. I added some green peas to this rice and then just cover it again and allow it to cook. Went ahead to fry my shrimp, set it aside. By this time I went again to check my rice and it was ready, fully ready. You can see how the texture is looking. It doesn't have to be too soft. So guys, with the same energy I went ahead to make my shrimp sauce I just had some vegetable oil on the heated pot on fire and I allow it to heat out. Then I added my purple onions. I used a combination of purple onions and a white onion, so I added the both together, stir it out, and as well add in my seasoning, and then went in with my carrots, my green beans, stir it together again. I added my salt, some more seasoning cubes, and then go ahead to add my yellow bell peppers and some red bell peppers. Guys, you can see how I'm taking my time to stir this continuously on intervals, and so that my vegetables under will not get overly cooked, and so that my seasoning cubes will be mixed together properly. So guys, so I went on to add my sausages, and so I added some sweet corn, some pepper mix, and my shrimp, red kidney beans, and some spring onions lastly. And then that is it for my sauce, guys. This is my sauce for the rice. So I just went on to fry my rice and sauce a bit by bit until I finish the whole process. So for my chicken and gizzard sauce, I added my vegetable oil and allow it to heat out, and go in with my purple onions, my white onions as well, stir it together, and I added my green pepper, go in with some spring onions to give that a quick stir again, and then I added some red bell peppers, some seasoning cubes, and then go ahead to add my blended pepper mix, giving that another quick mix before going in with my already fried proteins, stirring it all together. And lastly, I'm adding my yellow pepper to bring out the taste, of flavor, and everything. Yeah, that's what I did. I just gave that a quick stir and went, and that's it, guys. After garnishing it with my yellow bell peppers, my sauce is completely ready. So guys, I'm done with all the cooking experience, and I just started garnishing my salad, and that was it, guys. Everybody in my house loved this. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and please leave a comment and tell me if you would be trying this recipe. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video.